Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2012 Ducati 848 EVO. This is a super bike. It's got 849 cc's, liquid cool L twin, delivers about 140 horsepower, a 6-speed transmission, radial mount Brembo brakes. This thing will fly and it'll stop just as quick as it'll go. Very important on the racetrack. Liquid cooled, monoshock design back here, chain drive, open sided swing arm here, so it makes changing the tire on the rear much easier. Very nice bike. It's got a few signs of wear. It's a black denim paint, and I saw some little spots up here where it looks like maybe some little rock pecks or something on the front. Not bad. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not. Very small. Almost looks like little. In fact, that feels like it's sitting on top of the paint, like that might be some kind of little overspray or something. That'd probably come off. A little scratch right here. No indication that it's been down. All the body panels look real good. Steering stabilizer. Bike's got 3,357 miles on it. Pops right off, runs really good, doesn't have any kind of engine noise, no smoke. Pretty decent tire back here on the back. Set up a 2-up riding. Key, unlock this and pull that pad off. I think there's a little tool pouch under there. Not sure about that. We can check it and see. Thing revs really quick. Let's see what this does. Yeah, a little tool pouch. Small little storage area there. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. It's been through our shop, checked out, and it's ready to ride. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.